Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, August 14th, 2026 at 13:36, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So in tomorrow's Day 2 outlook, we've got a slight risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, extreme northeastern New Mexico, and extreme northwestern Oklahoma Panhandle. We have another slight risk that encompasses parts of southern Michigan, eastern Indiana, southwestern and western Ohio, northeastern Kentucky, southwestern and West Virginia, western Virginia, northeastern Tennessee, western and central North Carolina, and northern South Carolina. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of eastern Alabama, northern Florida, parts of much of Georgia, much of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, northeastern Tennessee, central Virginia, and extreme western Virginia as well, central West Virginia, central Ohio, southern Michigan, central and western Indiana, much of Illinois, northern and central Missouri, southern Iowa, much of what state is that? Nebraska, central Kansas, going into eastern Colorado, extreme western Oklahoma Panhandle, northeastern New Mexico, and going into central Colorado, and parts of southeastern Wyoming and extreme southwestern South Dakota, going back into central Kentucky and northeastern Tennessee. So we have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. We have Columbus, Charlotte, Cincinnati, Aurora, and Greensboro under the slight, and Chicago, Indianapolis, Denver, Kansas City, and Omaha under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses southern Michigan, northeastern Indiana, and northwestern to central Ohio. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. We have Columbus, Toledo, Fort Wayne, Dayton, and South Bend under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, northeastern New Mexico, and extreme northwestern Oklahoma Panhandle. We also have another 15% that encompasses southern Michigan, eastern Indiana, parts of western and central Ohio, eastern Kentucky, western West Virginia, extreme northeastern Tennessee, western and central North Carolina, and parts of northern South Carolina. We have a 5% that encompasses eastern Alabama, northern Florida, much of Georgia, much of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, much of Virginia, northeastern Tennessee, central Kentucky, central West Virginia, central Ohio, southern Michigan, central Indiana, central Illinois, northern Missouri, southern Iowa, much of Nebraska, much of Kansas, western Oklahoma Panhandle, northeastern New Mexico, going into central Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, and extreme southwestern South Dakota. So we have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Columbus, Charlotte, Cincinnati, Aurora, and Greensboro under the 15%, and Chicago, Indianapolis, Denver, Kansas City, and Omaha under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, and we have a 5% that encompasses northeastern New Mexico, western Oklahoma Panhandle, western Kansas, western Nebraska, extreme southwestern South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, and eastern Colorado, east central Colorado. So we have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. So we have Scottsbluff, Sterling, Fort Morgan, Lamar, and Torrington under the 15%, and Denver, Colorado Springs, Aurora, Lakewood, and Fort Collins under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says strong to severe storms are possible on Saturday from the central high plains eastward into parts of the Midwest, Ohio Valley, southern and central Appalachians, and Carolinas. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk.
Let's talk about some of those impacts. Which islands are you most concerned about right now? And is it
Here's the reset. There's tomorrow's tornado risk.
Well, of course, the Big Island is first in line, as it usually is, as these storms come in from the east. And so for the Big Island, it's the...
And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.